If you'd like to see a brilliant way to transform your wine glass by embellishing a decal and transforming it into this lovely, brilliant, elegant glass, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be embellishing this Dollar Tree wine glass. It was plain. I painted it already off camera. It's something that I like to do because it gives it a nice fuller look. You don't have to do this, it's completely optional. But I did pick this paint up from Walmart. It is metallic by Folk Art and the color is called Pure Gold. I did 2 coats of it. I'm going to be adding 6 and 8 millimeter rhinestones, 6 and 8 millimeter pearls to this glass, as well as 5 millimeter gold plated rhinestones that I just got in. I'm so excited about these, and I will have a link available for those. I'm going to add this gold Chanel logo to the glass. I'm going to be using liquid fusion glue. Then I have this rhinestone pickup. So what I like to do is take my rhinestones and start on the edge to just kind of cover that edge area. If I'm working with something small enough, I want to make sure I cover that up. So that's just not showing there. Just like that. So you can just go ahead and continue and watch how I go ahead and cover this first area. Then I'll work my way up to the base, and I'll just do a scatter method between the rhinestones and the pearls. So that's how the side. Update. I did add some 3 millimeter rhinestones. They're gold AB because I needed something smaller, and I like these because they're gold and they have hints of purple in them because they're just so pretty and amazing. Then I like the gold pearls are slightly different from the gold plated rhinestones, and I love it. It just gives it a nice dimensional look to me. So now I'm just gonna start my
Okay, so I'm just working my way up the stem, and I'm just using whatever size. There's no particular rhyme or reason. Just keep everything nice and tight and neat, and take your time. You can do this.
So now I'm going to be adding the decal to the glass. I already opened up my alcohol prep pad, but I use a 70% alcohol pad just to wipe this area off, just in case you're working on the glass, you have a little bit of oil or lotion on your hands. You just want to make sure it's a nice clean area. Dry that off. And to make it a little bit easier, what I do is I just kind of cut it a little bit. I cut slits into the decal to make it a little easier to handle. Sometimes it helps. And you just want to make sure it's nice and straight. Nice and straight as you can possibly get it. Eyeball it. Try to get as many air pockets out of it as possible. Peel off your decal the best way you can. And I'm going to use some of the pearls, a combination of all three, or maybe just the two, just to trace it. You can leave it like this if you want to. That's still very pretty, but I wanted to add more embellishments to the look.
I decided to add some 3mm gold AB rhinestones as well. The 3mm do look very nice on the decal, but you can also go with a larger size like a 4mm or 5mm. But the 3mm paired with the 4mm looks very nice on here. Hey you guys, this is the finished final product, and I absolutely love these gold plated rhinestones paired up with these gold pearls. It's very, very regal and astonishing. This was a birthday gift for someone, actually a gift to herself. She wanted to use this glass to drink out of for her birthday. It matched her birthday cake, and she just wanted something very elegant and sleek, so this is the design that we went with. So consider this as something for yourself to go along with your home decor, or if you know someone who just likes the Chanel logo look, this is very classy, very fancy. And it's very easy. You can do this yourself. All you have to do is just follow the pattern of whatever decal you decide to choose. I will have a link for the gold-plated rhinestones, and there should be a link for the pearls as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, please. And share it on Facebook. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Check out my playlist I have full of videos I've done embellishing wine glasses and wine bottles and liquor bottles as well. Thanks again. Bye-bye.